Hey there, welcome to our channel. Tech is Guru. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to add business hours to Facebook page. Before guiding you through these steps, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified about the further uploads on this channel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you need to open a Facebook and you need to sign in into your Facebook page. And once you are on the home screen of the Facebook page, on top right corner, you will see the three-line icon. Simply tap on that and you need to tap on your page and this profile will be open of your page, and you need to scroll down and here you can see the about option. Simply you need to tap on about and you need to tap on see all about. On the bottom of the screen you can see that. Scroll down and under the basic info you will see add hours, but to get option of add hours, make sure you have added address of your Facebook page, and then only this option of add hour will be shown on your page under the basic info. So you need to tap on add hours and tap on the hours. Right now there is no any hours available, so you need to simply tap on hours, and here you can see various options, that is always open, permanently closed, temporarily closed, and standard hours, that is Monday to Friday is given here. You can choose any one of this. After you have chosen, then simply you can tap on save and you can easily add business hours to the Facebook page. So now it has already been saved. If you find this video useful, then you can easily hit the like button and comment on the comment section of this video. Thank you.